Hindi ako PDP laban eh.
Ayun,
Alam nyo
opo.
naman na nung nangampanya ako, maski na nung 2022, adapted lang ako.
Yun, opo.
Kaya hindi ko alam kung bakit nila sinasabing Duterte Black ako.
Opo.
Napagkakamalang kasi tayo na Duterte Black. Kasi nga, nilalaban naman natin ang mga karapatan kahit sino.
Oo, yun ho.
Nagkataon lang na ang karapatan naman ng mga Duterte, kailangan din nating ibigay yung due process para sa kanila. Napagkakamalan tayo na meron tayong kinikilingan. Hindi.
Isama mo pa si Camille Villar sa Committee on Environment, Natural Resources, and Climate Change. Something to do with, anyong lupa. And basically, elemental change and, weather and stuff like that. From the family that allegedly does land grabbing farms like it's nobody's business. Only theirs. Because it's a monopoly. So what can we do about these personally objectionable assignment? And I said that, it's my opinion. Which is, we can't really do anything about it. Hindi naman natin mahiwalay ang politika at ang kanilang interest because that's exactly why they won, because they have that interest, they have that business, they have that monopoly on power at capital. They won because they have the political machinery because of said wealth. And I don't know if fair or square, pero they won.